Generating consistent ideas and content for social media and First Robotics can feel overwhelming, especially during the off-season or when engagement dips. But with a strategic approach, your team can maintain a steady stream of posts that build awareness, attract sponsors, and recruit students year-round. Here's a step-by-step system to consistently generate content. First, we're going to use a content pillar strategy. We're going to start by organizing our content into 5 to 7 recurring themes. This ensures a mix of engaging, informative, and promotional content. Some content pillars for First Robotics teams can be things like behind the scenes, like build sessions, strategy meetings, mentor moments, team member spotlights. These can be interviews or why I joined or day in the life type posts, outreach and events, STEM nights, school demos, volunteering, robot highlights, close-ups, subsystems explained, testing videos, tutorials in education, quick tips on CAD, coding, wiring, marketing, throwbacks in history, past seasons, rookie moments, big wins, and lastly, fun or relatable content like memes, bloopers, robot fails, or team traditions. Secondly, we're going to build a weekly or monthly content calendar. Use a simple spreadsheet or a tool like Notion, Trello, or Google Calendar. Rotate through your pillars to ensure variety. An example weekly flow could look like Mondays behind the scenes, Wednesday is robot spotlight or tech tutorial, Friday is a fun meme or team spotlight, and Sundays could be outreach highlights or competition flashbacks. Third, run brainstorming sprints with your students. Once a month, do a 15-minute brainstorm session with your team. Ask, what's something cool we worked on this week? Or what's a funny moment we can share? What question do we get asked the most? Use sticky notes or a shared Google Doc to collect ideas. One bonus tip here is that you can rotate who creates content so no one burns out, but I would recommend having someone specifically be your content strategist. More about that at the end of the video. The fourth tip is collect media constantly. Assign students to be media captains each meeting to take photos or videos, capture quotes or testimonials, or just film 10 to 30 second clips for reels. Even if you don't use it right away, stockpiling content gives you flexibility when you're too busy to create from scratch. Now with these first 4 tips, your marketing is going to be much more effective, but there are some more hidden ways that you can level up your marketing and you save yourself a ton of time. Repurpose and reuse. One good piece of content can be reused across multiple platforms. Instagram Reel can turn into a TikTok, which can turn into a YouTube short. A robot close-up video could turn into a tutorial with some voiceover. Or a team photo could also turn into a throwback with a story caption. Don't be afraid to repeat a post with a new angle. Next, you can ask your audience questions. Engagement drives reach. Use these to spark interaction, like polls. What should we name our robot? Or Q&As. Ask us anything about FRC. You could do challenges. Guess what subsystem this is? To speed up your workflow, use templates and tools. So things like Canva for branded graphics and reels, CapCut or InShot for video editing, Later or Buffer to schedule your posts, and ChatGPT to write captions, hooks, and generate new ideas. Once you've started doing all these things, you may feel like you're done, but here's the secret that will start to turn you into a true marketer. Review and improve. Track what performs best each month. Which posts got the most likes, the most shares, or DMs? What topics got the most comments? Then double down on what's working, and you'll start to see growth like you've never seen before. Now, putting these things in place will help your team's marketing remain consistent and help you get more awareness and community support. But before these things can get implemented, you'll want to have a strong marketing team structure. Check out this video next to see how you can do it. Thanks so much for watching. As always, I'll see you in the next one.